Hey folks, all right. Happy Friday to you. I figured I'd do an unboxing. Just got this delivered today. This is the Xtool F2. Right here is the Xtool F1. The difference is the F2 is orange, the F1 is green. Let's pop this thing open. And there's another difference in here. The F1 does not have a camera. The F2 does have a camera. So let's get this thing open. I haven't done an unboxing in a while, so I don't buy a lot of stuff. I'm lying. All right, so anyway, this is the instruction manual here. We'll check that out. I'm going to stick this on top of the F1 Ultra for now. All right. Safety instructions. I'm definitely going to read those. And put some of these parts down. So there's the top. They package these things very well. All right, so none of this, there's nothing in here for me to use. If I need to return this thing, I will. Well, I'll use that, but so I'm not going to get rid of that just yet. All right, here we have some stuff. More than likely some extra pieces to some practice supplies to use. Over here is part of the power cable. And over here is what is this? The other part of the cable. So these are the two pieces for the cable. All right, let's get to the nitty gritty. And there's another piece here. All right, USB cable. I think I got everything. So here we go. Box is empty. Make sure y'all can see this. Oh, it's beautiful. There it is. So let's put these side by side. The F1 right beside the F2. And got some tape up here. I got to get this tape off. That's to hold it down. It's been a while since I cracked one of these open. Last time I did it was with the F1. All right, so you lift this up. Oh, got some more tape somewhere, I'm sure. Oh, right here. Yellow tab. That's one. There's a yellow tab here. That's two. It's built very similar to the F1, by the way. All right, so slide it up. Let's take all this stuff out. You don't need a lot of this. Oh, well, there's something in here. So this is the plate that you put in down here like that. This is the level, the square. I call it the square because you roll these in like this. So you can make sure that whatever you're engraving on is at a 90-degree angle. That edge is at a 90-degree angle. Let's see what else is in here. I think that's it for that. And this is a piece of black acrylic to do some engraving on. It's a thick piece too, so that means this thing can cut it. All right. So over here, this is the knob to adjust the lasers to even up the lasers, so they're sitting on top of each other. That makes it focus. This is the focusing laser. This button here, I forgot exactly what that one does, but it's got the same on this one. This side over here is where you plug in all the cables, if you're going to use cables. Over here, you got the stop button, auto stop button. And back here, you have the key. If you take that out, it won't work. Okay, this part here, you hook it up to, what the hell do you hook that up to? Huh. Okay, I got some other pieces. Oh, well, that's part of the power. And there's an on and off switch. And this back hose finally is what you can hook up to a smoke ventilator, a smoke extractor like this. So I got 3 X-Tool products here. The F1, the X-Tool smoke extractor tabletop version, and now the brand new X-Tool F2. Thank you for watching this unboxing. So let me introduce you to the family. F1 Ultra. That's a 20 watt with a camera. F1 Old Faithful. X-Tool smoke extractor. The F2, this is a 15 watt, 5 watt. Sorry, the F1 is a 10 watt, 2 watt. 10 watt blue light, 2 watt infrared. This one is a 15 watt and a 5 watt infrared. And then over here, got Big Bad, the 40 watt S1 40 watt. Thanks for watching my unboxing of the X-Tool F2. And I'm sure I'll share some videos with you later. Thanks again. I'm Frank Smith III, Fabrications by Frank, the new guy.